another video, and in today's video, guys, we have something so special. The Outlander's getting some new goodies, guys. Yes, it's back on the cryptids, you know. Hey, don't get me wrong, it was definitely fun when we had it on the stocks, but you just cannot beat the look of this, boys. This thing looks so freaking good with the 30-inch cryptids on it. But if you have not seen my last video when we took this thing 90 plus miles an hour, go check it out. It's a pretty good one. But in that video, I had said that we had some new goodies. We had actually a couple of new sponsors for the channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be installing some of those new sponsored goodies. And we actually have so many new parts and so many goodies, guys, that we're actually gonna have to make more than one video on this. But I can tell you this, by the time we are done, the Outlander is gonna look so freaking mint, boys. But we have so much to do, so without further ado, let's talk about the new sponsor for the channel. Now, a lot of you probably weren't expecting this, but the new sponsor for the channel is RJWC, baby. Let's go! And guys, this has been such a long time coming. I mean, what can I say? Your boy made it. But guys, I wanted to partner with RJWC. I've been trying for such a long time, and you know, like I said, they finally gave your boy a shot. And all I can say is this is not the only box that we got from RJWC. But we're gonna open this up, show you what we got, because apparently they sent out a good bit of stuff. So let's open this box up and let's see what we got. So use our handy dandy trusty knife. Open this bad boy up. And let's get it cracking. Alright. Good freaking packaging. I do want to say, they shipped this out on a Tuesday and I got it Friday. All the way from Sweden, boys. 3-day shipping all the way from Sweden. That alone should tell you something. Alright. So, sheesh, look at all these goodies now. They thought about your boy. They said he really needs this synthetic winch line rope. So, hey, it matches. What can I say? But we needed this, boys. We needed this. Now we can finally fix my winch, which I have honestly delayed way too long. But, you know, shout out to RJWC for this, man. I didn't even know that they made winch line, but we got it. All right, next in the box, sheesh. We got a billet gas cap, guys. If you didn't know, this is probably the best gas cap that you can put on your four-wheeler. It's nice and billet aluminum, and it's got a super duper juicy gasket on there, boys. So that's pretty dope. Put this in there. We'll install this here shortly. Next, we got a banner, guys. I'm gonna try and put this up somewhere, but we got an RJWC banner. We're gonna put this up somewhere in the garage, probably on that wall, because that wall is already taken up. But that's pretty dope. Next, we have a shifter, billet aluminum, boys. Super duper nice. We're gonna be installing that as well. And now for the goodies, boys, for the meat and potatoes of this whole box. The original reason why I messaged RJWC. Woo, woo, woo. The Neutrino 2.0 lights. If you didn't know, RJWC honestly makes everything from gas caps to shifters to winch line to lights to exhaust systems. And this is the newest product they have. This is their 2.0 Neutrino headlights, boys. Check that out. And now what's cool about these, they actually come with interchangeable halos that you can actually just pop out and swap out. Honestly, I don't know how to do it myself yet, but we'll learn and get into that. They have white, green, yellow, and red halos, which, of course, we had to get the yellow halos, boys. So these are the white halos that it comes with, but like I said, you can actually pop out this halo right here and interchange it with different colored halos. So that's pretty cool. These are the new headlights. I've never ran them, like I said, but everything that I hear from RJWC is extremely quality, and honestly, I can't wait till I get these in. So we're gonna put these back. We gotta figure out how to install them. We still have to take out the old OEM headlights, and I'm actually gonna do a comparison to show you how bright they are. But, you know, if we got the headlights, of course, we had to get the tail lights, boys. Now, I've actually seen these on Braden's four-wheeler, on his old Outlander, and I mean, these things are just quality. These things are so nice. These are blacked out halo tail lights. Obviously, you've seen these probably, but these are, I mean, these are so crispy and so clean. But that does it for this box, guys. Like I said, we are gonna do it into 2 parts because we just have so much to install, and honestly, I've never installed any of this. I don't really know how to install any of this. But obviously, I know how to install the gas cap and the shifter, which I mean, well, actually, we'll do that right now. Like I said, they sent me the black billet gas cap, which is super duper dope because I mean, the back half of the four-wheeler is black and it'll match it. I mean, it's just so good. So you take off the OEM one and you just grab the new one, obviously, put it on, Oh yeah, boys, that feels nice. Dang, that thing looks so good. Like I said, blacked out, little bit of milled accents on it. It's gonna look so good. And as for the shifter, it's actually really easy to install as well. It's just kind of like the gas cap. You just have to turn this until it comes off. You just twist it off, put it to the side, grab your new billet shifter, twist the new one on, and there you have it. Let's talk about a shifter. That looks so good. So there's these two, and honestly what shocks me is the attention to detail to even the smallest, cheapest things on their website. And honestly, that should tell you something, boys. Just the quality and craftsmanship from RJWC. It's there. So we're gonna install the headlights first. I'm gonna put you guys on a montage while I take off the old OEM headlights. It should be pretty simple. It looks like it's just 3 screws holding it in. But put you guys on a small montage. Once we have those off, I'll be sure to let you guys know just in case we run into any problems for the people that are doing it at home. Let's do it. Alright, so there you have it, guys. We have all the 4 headlights out, all the brackets, the old brackets, everything that was there is now off. So over here on the table we have the old headlights, and guys, the instructions that RJW sends is so detailed. The color, the pictures, the text, they make it so simple, and they actually teach you how to take out your stock headlights, how to install the new ones, how to put them together. I mean, it's everything about RJWC, man. It's just hands down. I'm beyond impressed. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There's the 2 lows, boys. Like I said, the 2 lows have the projector lenses and the highs have the 4 spot beams. So you use the thinner brackets for the lows and you use the thicker ones for the highs. You actually have to remove your OEM brackets, take these off, and then you gotta reinstall the new ones that RJWC sends you, and you'll be able to install your highs. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We got the lows in, and now it's time to put them on. Next side. And there we have it, guys. Look at those halos, baby. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go, so you guys can see them a little better. That looks so freaking good. Now, lights are in, halos are wired up, and honestly, the only thing left to do is to just test it, boys. So I guess here goes nothing but ignition and start. Woo! It works! Hold on, let's just get, there we go. Oh my God. Look at those halos! That's just the ignition. We actually still have to turn on the lights. Let me actually set you guys up. All right. Let's see what all this hype on this new Reno's are. All right, so here goes the low beams. There we go. Do they both work? Let's go! High beams. Oh, holy cow. why are the high beams so freaking bright? Yo, there's so much heat coming off of this light. With no adjustment, you can't even see directly into the lights. But, where's it at? Where's it at? Come on, let's see it. Where's the halos? That's about the best view you guys can get of them. There we go. And actually the sun's gonna go down here in a little bit, so I'm actually gonna be able to get you some really, really good night shots. But, so these are actually the halos that come with the four-wheeler. They're actually just white halos, but RJWC sent us out some yellow, or they call it amber halos. So we're actually gonna put these on. We're gonna put these on the low beams so we can get a comparison between the yellow and the white. And it's actually very, very easy to pop off. They actually have two little small connecting tabs right there, one on that side and one on this side that you actually just pinch, which actually it's gonna be really hard to do with one hand. So I'm gonna have to put you guys down, but I'm gonna set you guys up and show you how easy we're gonna swap these out. So you can pinch both sides, but we're actually just gonna pinch one side. We're gonna pinch it up and slowly kind of pry it up, and it pops right off, guys, like nothing. So like I said, this is the white halo, this is the yellow halo, and installation, I mean, it's super duper simple. You just line it up correctly and it pops right on. So same thing with this side. We're gonna pop it, pry it slowly, and it comes right off. And we just line it up, pop it in, and there we have, we're supposed to have two outer yellows and two inner whites. So let me actually turn this on and see how these yellows look and how they perform. All right, so ignition. That looks so dope. So far, you guys, I'm really, really impressed. I'm gonna swap all the white lights for amber ones for the yellow ones. We're gonna put the cryptids back on it. We're gonna take it outside and get some outside view and footage of this thing, because you know, I'm tired of having it in the garage. This has actually been a 2-day video now. It's actually been a lot longer and actually more than I anticipated on doing, but we're gonna take it out and check it out outside.
20 minutes later.
All right, so we have the front cryptids on it. We have all the front halos swapped out to yellow, which honestly looks and it matches so spot on. But we're gonna start it, guys. Take it outside. Oh, and that there, boys, is the second box from RJWC. So you guys stay tuned. But we're gonna start it up. I'm never gonna get tired of that. But let's open the garage door and find out from carbon monoxide, and let's check out the halos. Honestly, the shifter just feels so good in your hands, man. It's that billet aluminum, boys. I keep telling you, RJWC does not play with their products. But check it out, guys, check it out. Look at those halos, man. Tell me that does not look freaking baller. Holy cow. All right, so let's speak positives and negatives on my first batch of RJWC products. As for the durability and the longevity of the lights or anything that I have shown you so far in this video, I can't speak too much on just because this is my first time installing them and I've never ran any other products. But what I can tell you is from the time that I spoke with them and got it shipped to me, their customer service was on point. They're shipping all the way from Sweden, 3 days total to my front doorstep. That is literally one extra day than the Amazon Prime products that I get from Chicago, all the way from Sweden. Just one more day, guys. Let that sink in. That is crazy. The packaging that they came in, honestly, it was perfect. The products themselves, I mean, the shifter alone is probably one of the cheapest things on the website. That is billet aluminum, and it's shaped so good. I wish that you guys could see this a little bit better, but it looks so good, guys. They cut no corners on this or the gas cap. As for the headlights, I mean, just look at them, guys. I haven't gotten to test them fully because it is daytime, but I mean, just look at that. The camera literally can't even focus on how bright these headlights are. I mean, just check it out, guys. It's insane. So like I said, at the end of the video, I will drop in a video clip of how bright these suckers are at night. And guys, I mean, there's not a doubt in my mind that these are gonna be brighter than a set of light bars. All right, so cutting them back off because they are pretty bright, and honestly, it's kind of blinding my eyes. But what's cool about these are actually the Neutrino number 2. These are their brand newest set of lights. So the difference between the last set of Neutrinos and these actually have color changing halos that you can actually just pop out and swap out. If you were to buy them like I previously showed you, they will come with white halos, but like I said, it is so easy to pop out these halos, and it makes it so convenient because you can change them to red, blue, green, or even yellow headlights. And honestly, with the new 2021 units, it matches so spot on, and the camera isn't actually doing it justice. But guys, these halos, they look so good. But as far as waterproofing and durability and how good these new Neutrinos are, I can't tell you, but I can tell you we will be finding out and honestly, they skipped no corners when it came to these. But as far as this video goes, we're gonna be ending off this video here. We ended up getting the headlights in, the shifter, and the gas cap. We haven't gotten the tail lights in because we're actually riding tomorrow, and I want to make sure that I have enough time to put these on and not be rushed, and make sure that they're good and installed correctly. So our time's cut short, and I really wish I would have had the halos for this weekend, but I want to install them with you guys and have you guys be a part of it. But if you did like the video, guys, please do me a favor, drop a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit the bell. And huge shout out to RJWC for coming through, man. I'm gonna leave the Instagram up on the screen. Go follow it, guys, with their website as well down in the description. Check them out if you have been considering of buying something from RJWC. Like I said, they have anything and everything from headlights to shifters to gas caps, from exhaust systems to air intakes to tuners. They have it all. And what I can say, based on what I have right here, their stuff is quality, guys. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Shout out to RJWC, and I will catch you boys on the next one. Peace. All right, just a quick video showing you the headlights. These are just your halos with the ignition on, your low beams, and we just wait for it, guys. Your high beams. These things are freaking insane.